nice one. I'm scared of going on to that. But yeah. This is fun. Peyton's gonna die. Hello, yes it is I, Virgia, and I'm sorry if this is overexposed. I don't know where the sun is. It's probably behind me. Anyway, so Peyton is now somewhere in the surrounding forest with their dad. Hopefully they don't get lost. He accidentally got us lost when I was in there, and I was like, hey, we should probably head that way if we want to get back. And then we got into the sand dunes, and then he went to more of a forest area and he didn't know how to get out again. I was like, probably go that way, pointed to the direction, went into the exact path that I told him to go to. We were back in the sand dunes, and then I pointed out exactly where the car was. So yeah, we got lost, almost ran off a cliff. But yeah, Peyton's probably out there dying. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna find something to entertain myself while they're out there. Hello, editing Virgia. We are now, obviously I'm at home. I'm just gonna fill you guys in on what happened after that. So, Peyton came back, and we basically drove around like the slightest bit more, and then we decided that we were too tired to do anything else, and that we should probably head in. And at that point I was starving even though I ate lunch. And so after a while of getting situated, we got over, we like put everything together, we returned to the helmets, and then we left. It started raining soon after that, and yeah, on the way back to where we live, obviously, Peyton ended up falling asleep, and then I fell asleep, and we were planning to get ice cream, but that didn't happen. So then literally we just did some I just went on some errands with them, and then they dropped me off at home. I don't know what's going on with Peyton. Hopefully Peyton's doing well over there. I was starving when I got home, so I made some orange chicken, had ice cream, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Peyton, to be honest, is probably sleeping right now too. But yeah, that's just an update. Sorry for the ramble.